crash landed.
Straight back to earth, I changed my orbit now. I got some issues I need to iron out. People throwing stones, but I'm building castles. At least I'm giving the people something to chat.